variety. We are looking at a garden variety thunder shower south side of Lexington, extending down into parts of Jessamine and Woodford County. That's the view from the Lexington Financial Center. We've got a flash flood warning that's still up until 7:30 for Harrison County. It goes into northern Nicholas, up into Robertson County, over to Mason County as well. We have flood warnings. These are until 7:45 and 8 o'clock. Knox, Clay County, Leslie County, Perry County, also parts of Breathitt going over on into northern Knott, Floyd counties as well. Flood watch is up for the entire area until tomorrow morning. Tornado watch until 8 tonight. From Lake Cumberland to the Mountain Parkway on to the east. That's where the slight risk of severe thunderstorms does continue. That's from the Storm Prediction Center. Marginal risk continues on to the north and west. Max Track Doppler, we are looking at still lines of thunderstorms that are continuing to move north. So these are refiring. We're dropping locally heavy rain, intense lightning. None of these are severe right now, but still, again, the heavy rain and the lightning is intense. Knox County, southern part of Clay County, coming out of Bell County. That storm out in London right now up to East Bernstadt. There's some damage from the earlier storms around East Bernstadt. They continue then to the north. They're approaching the Pulaski and Rockcastle County line. In fact, crossing into Rockcastle County, moving now in on Mount Vernon. You folks in Livingston getting in on this. We're looking at that almost to Broadhead, Crab Orchard, not quite yet. They continue into Lincoln County then from Beach Bottom. That's into Casey County, actually north of Liberty there. And they are getting up almost to Houstonville there in Lincoln County. This is firing up in just the last couple of minutes. Look at all those lightning strikes. Southwest corner of Mercer County. So again, this one's refiring. Continuing through Harrodsburg to Bergen to Highbridge, through Nicholasville and then to the southern part of Fayette County. Another storm, northern Madison County, southern Clark County. You've got one up there by Cynthiana as well. And you want to talk about timing. Got the Oaks in just in time. We've been getting these heavy rain reports coming out of Louisville. A lot of lightning with these storms as well. So again, barely got the big race in. So you've been watching these storms coming through this afternoon. You see the various warnings on that southern flank with all of those severe thunderstorm and tornado warnings. What's meteorologically interesting is we watch this air. Never mind. We'll show it to you at 7. We'll show you the swirls that were going on. I mean, just fascinating. We'll have storms through the evening hours. As we get past midnight, they'll be tapering off. Okay, tomorrow, it's not going to be the prettiest day. A lot of clouds, a little bit of a breeze, little light rain, especially early. But it could be worse. It could be what we're seeing at Churchill right now, which is a deluge. So we won't have to worry about that. By the way, summer's coming next week. We'll be seeing temperatures into the 80s. 60s now for most of us, although some 50s have snuck in with the rain-cooled air. So again, we had the Oaks. It was near 70 as the race went off, but now with the storms that are coming through the area, things will cool off for them. Derby Day tomorrow. You're looking at temperatures just in the low 60s, which means we're going to spend the bulk of the day in the 50s with the clouds and that little bit of light rain. And then, of course, it dries out through most of next week. Storms have been vicious today across Tennessee, Georgia, the Carolinas, on up into Virginia. Look at all those severe thunderstorm and tornado warnings, and we were on the northern and western flanks of this. Low pressure is going to slide off to the east tonight. As it does so, we go from the heavy rain-producing storms tomorrow morning, northerly flow. Light rain, it's the backlash of that system, and it's just kind of the meteorological leftovers. 6 o'clock tomorrow, again, any sprinkles, light showers, mainly east of 75, but we'll see improvement for Mother's Day. For tonight, you're looking at showers and storms for the evening and then tapering off. Some light rain will continue. Lows drop down into the 50s. 60 tomorrow, and that ought to be about it in Lexington. Low 60s in Louisville. Little light rain is going to be a possibility. Mother's Day, dry, upper 60s, close to 80 on Monday, 80s most of next week. With luck and weather permitting, we're back at Churchill Downs right after this.